Alert routing override numbers gives you the ability to send alerts to certain phone numbers and email addresses on certain days of the week and times. This method is done at a manager level, which means it affects all employees and sites associated to that manager. Click on Maintenance. Click on Company Maintenance. Click on the plus next to the relevant region. Click on the plus next to the relevant branch. Select the relevant manager. Click on the Alerts button. Click on Add New Entry. Enter in the email address. Select the days of the week the email address is to receive the alerts. Enter in the time from and the time to. Click Update. The alert override is now set.